Ha ka juk ba ki kmi ki pa ki bon kam ban ya be ki kam ki jam hayeng hasam bat ki jing tre jing ta bat ka jing bam yo ai por ban ai Kylluid ya ka por bat ki Khun ki Kti Kum ha ki por Hyndai Nagalyang ka District Child Protection Unit East Khasi Hills ringkat ka jing ya tre lang bat ka child friendly shlong kila Pyllait Paidbah ya ka wei ka kot kabala tip kerteng ka counseling and communication skill for teachers Kabalong shibinta kumnu ban pin smuthu ye ki nong hikai ban pin ye dei bat ki khna school ba pher ban amdei ban shupin kot tang haki subject pulie hinrei ban don ru ka jing hikai ka bayadei dur ha ka imlang sa lang ba ki khna ki kot lat bat shem jing e hinrei ling ba ka ne ka kot kan pli ki jing mut jing perkhat jing ki khna ban lat na ki jing e Yakati kakot lapri Paidbah da kakong Clarabel Malyang kabadi ka legal cum provision officer jang ka district child protection unit East Khasiels ha ka jingya don lang ufada Jo Prabhu director Bosco integrated development society ringkat ki no hi kai na ki school bapher kabala Paidbah ha ka jaka treikam jong ka Bosco integrated development society kabadon hanong shiliang shillong
parents as well as counselors in school. But along with the skills that they will receive through the launch of this book also, I hope that it will be very helpful and innovative, especially for our children here in East Khasi Hills. Thank you, Father, for the time you've given to us, especially in DCPU. You have come along with your team to visit us and also to share with us the concept about this book. And I'm so glad that today you're launching this book. And on behalf of the District Child Protection Unit, I I convey my sincere thanks for the initiative that you've taken, and especially for the team.
Also, I would like to congratulate the forum members. Child Friendly Shillong has a forum. So this forum does not belong to us, but this forum belongs to the city, to the betterment, for the betterment of the children of the city. So this is called Civil Society Forum for Children. There are all senior members, senior in terms of their age, senior in terms of their experiences working with children, working for children. So we always tell them that we are young people, Child Friendly Shillong. We are all young guys, young people in the team. So you guide us as senior member of the forum who have worked for children for so many years, and we will do all the groundwork. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank the forum members as well as congratulate all the forum members. Counseling and communication skills for teachers. This is a very important thing which we have felt during our course of time that we have walked through with children. Why it is important is because we sit together, we discuss all the organizations, all the individuals working for children, we sit together, we discuss, and we see the kind of traumas children go through. The difficulties they have in not being able to express, the difficulties they have in not being able to share. Sometimes I feel that it is not the fault of children that they are not able to express it. Rather, I feel it is our fault. Now, I'm not pointing to teachers, but all of us. We are not able to identify the indications that a child is going through stress or through depression. And if a child does something which is harmful to himself or herself, or maybe to some other children, then we start blaming children. It is very important as grown up adults, as parents, as elder brothers and sisters, as teachers, as responsible citizen of the community, that we know these indications. Therefore, this book was launched.